Hey McDonald's, it's more Lego Bob the Builder Duplo. Let's build it and have a little fun. So I didn't want to use Bob because I used Bob in the last episode, so this is Windy. You know, not as good as Bob, but I'm gonna tell you later. Look, this is Windy. She's not even practicing safety. She doesn't have a hard hat on. No, but you know, it's her fault. This is her fault, and we got going on. Girl, this is your world, and you got going on. So this is Windy. Now, the reason why, okay, let's go into politics a little bit. See, not because I'm being sexist. I'm not. I'm just telling you the truth. I think Windy is not a very good builder than our friend Bob, okay? First of all, she is a secretary, assistant to Bob. She do paperwork, okay? So, there you go. That's my role. And how come you only see construction vehicles? I know there is an episode where Wendy's sister is coming and they use a plane to get there, but you don't see the plane. So, there. Let's build it. Finally. I want Windy. Windy can go back there. So this is the attack piece that Coop had, but it's just in red. So I guess we could just put it on whatever way you want. Okay, and wait, that's not right. I am a big fan of Bob the Builder. I haven't seen Bob the Builder in years. Okay, we should probably work with that piece before we do anything. No, I think it's like this. Okay. So this is all thicker. So then we'll I didn't have any pictures going into this. So, you know. Bear with me. Okay, this is Muck. I think she's better than Coop because she could dig a hole. She could dig a hole if she want, and you could put stuff over there. So it's kind of like redundant to have, you know, have Muck and Coop. But whatever. You know, I'm not a Boestina ad. I'm not a Boestina. Okay, I'm not. So you could put one brick. I thought that would be deeper, but it's not. Can you put more? Oh, you can't put. You can only put one brick. Oh, I thought you could put 12 bricks. It came with this. I don't know. It originally came with red brick, but so you could do that. And you could do that. Well, I don't know if I build it right, but I do know one thing. You could put windy, unlike the show. You could put windy in the. You could put windy in. I think her. She's too big for this. You don't really go all the way down. Hey, don't go all the way down. Oh wait, you can just go all the way down. Yeah, so this is Muck. Do you like to play in the mud? I think if to reboot that now, I think you will just be a sassy black woman. So you can put 2 pieces. You can put 2 pieces in one. Oh, that's an unpleasant noise. And you can put a couple of pieces in the back. Oh. Now, if you want to dig a tinier hole, yeah, Muck will not help you. So I guess that's why I have Muck and Coop. I could have really saw a picture about the finished project before I did that. Why is it making noises? Well, what is that? This is... Why is it making noises like that? Look at one. Very good. This is Muck. See that? The world died right there. So this is just a sticker. This don't really do anything. And this don't really, wow, this don't snap that because I think her ponytail. Ponytails are the best hair, what's that called? Hair tie ever. Okay, you can't go wrong with a ponytail. So this can go back and go this. And this can open like this. So this is Muck from Bob the Builder. I don't know why it's making noises like that. Muck, everybody. So her ponytail is topping this. But this is a very old set, okay? So you get what you get. So this is Muck with a couple of pieces. Couple of Lego pieces. Can we do it full black? Oh, we can't with full black that way, but you could tack it up. So you can with full black, but I don't understand why we can't with two full black. Maybe you could with two long pieces. Let me get two long pieces real quick. Yeah, they're gonna be, Muck's gonna be very helpful when you have a bunch of tiny pieces. So you could put it in a box, but you know, you could put it in a container, you could put it in this. You know, you call, you know. I like this piece, and I like that you can go all the way up, all the way down, and you can put the brick there, you can put several bricks there, and you can put a lot of brick in the back. Like this. Do you like mud? Do you like playing in the mud? And you don't like being seen, but this is Muck. And I wrap over the pieces. Well, the thing of the race place is fully on the beach. Yeah, this is Muck. And you could put a couple. I like the printing of this set. Like, this would just be thicker today. We need more printed sets. So, did we build it? I say yes we did. We did build something. So this is part 2 of it. It's a good day or a good day. Ciao.